Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we're going over the Nike Low in the Champ colors colorway. Now before we get into the shoe, make sure if you're new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. In addition to the Brazil and University Red pairs, Nike will also be releasing a upcoming Champ Colors offering of the Dunk Low. Dressed in a University Orange and Marine color scheme, this Nike Dunk Low features a orange base with dark navy overlays, golden tongue tags atop a white midsole and navy colored rubber outsole. Look for the Nike Dunk Low Champ Colors to release on June 24th at select retailers and the Nike Sneakers app. The retail price tag is set at $100. So I'm going to leave a full store list in the description below. Places dropping the shoe, places holding raffles, all that good stuff. I'm also going to go over resale, but before we do that, let's just go over this shoe. Starting off with the colorway, it is this orange and navy color scheme. This color is a part of a pack from, I want to say, 2006 that did have the University Reds, the Brazils, and then this colorway here. All three have very nice quality and resale potential. The Brazil already dropped and is reselling for around $250. Then you have the University Red colorway, which was supposed to drop earlier June, but has been pushed back to July 1st. But this colorway is still dropping on June 24th. Now this one does have blue overlays with orange underlays. The whole upper is leather. Blue Nike swoosh. And on the heel you have Nike written out, embroidered in orange over this blue patch. You have an orange tongue, orange tag up at the top of the tongue with a gold Nike logo. The shoe comes with blue laces. I think orange laces will look good on the shoe. Ultimately though, I think white's gonna look the best. So if I get this shoe, I will definitely make a lace swap video for you guys. That way you guys can determine which one you like the best. Because I do know sometimes when a shoe's about to come out, you see the laces it has and you might not be interested. But once you see it with some different laces, you become interested. And honestly, I don't think any extra laces are coming with this shoe. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure they're only coming with the blue laces. You have an orange lining, blue insole, gold Nike logo on that insole. You have a white midsole with a blue outsole. Not a whole lot to say about this colorway. It's pretty basic. I do think it's a very solid color scheme though. I do like the gold hints on the tongue tag and on the insole. I think that gives a nice little touch. But for the most part, very simple. I think it's gonna be a great shoe for the fall time. With Nike Dunks, you really can't go wrong. The quality is always on point and the retail is always low. These retail at $100 and currently on StockX are going for about $300 to $400. And I definitely see that price lowering after they drop. I see this shoe going for around $250 to maybe $350. If you want that higher resale, you're gonna wanna go with a lower size, like your size 8 to 9s usually do the best as far as resale. Ultimately, I would like to get at least 2 pairs. That way I can flip one and then off the profit, technically just get my pair for free. But we will see. Hopefully I can get this shoe. I really like the colorway. I like all 3 of this pack. Let me know what you guys think of the shoe. Are you going for it as a personal? Are you going to resell? Or are you gonna pass up on this release altogether? Let me know all that good stuff down in the comments below. Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
Man, I should have known that I was special from the start. You can see my soul while I'm just talking, it's the art. Ice cold, nice clothes, tight flows, I'm those. Rose out the concrete, hard as a rock though. An old soul, young heart with some great goals. I'ma eat meat, not grass, I'm no goat.